There's something weird about going on a road trip. The second you lock the door and you head out, you're in a different mindset. Everything you see is different. The way you perceive the world is a bit different. Even the most meaningless things can turn into a crazy story. Why can't life be like a road trip? Why can't we live in a state of mind where everything is fun and adventurous? And the world continually surprises us, and we let that happiness flow in. There's something powerful that allows you to release your tight grip on life and just relax. Staying present and enjoying everything that enters your experience. Taking in each moment separately and giving unlimited potential for each situation to flourish into a unique adventure. The funny thing is, sometimes it's something like getting a flat tire, or an unfortunate trip to the hospital, or getting completely lost in the middle of the night that makes the adventure special and unforgettable. Because after all, it isn't the destination you're seeking, it's the journey. And on that journey, you learn and you let go. You see and you feel things differently. And your mindset, your attitude, your actions are all driven by a place in your soul that is simple, young, happy, and free. You don't know where your decisions come from, yet they just feel right. Unlike important decisions back home, which require you to take in all the right information and critically make sure you're doing the right thing. While on a road trip, you detach from that process completely. The need to be perfect, the need to be right, the need to look or act a certain way, you just let go. And it's in this mindset that you are truly present and happy. Getting lost and finding yourself. Just something that a lot of people don't let themselves do. When they wake up one day, looking back on their life's memories in search of the things they can define themselves by, the moments where they felt truly alive and free. Don't let that be you. Create a life that lets you drop the stress and baggage you carry. Go on an adventure. You can always start with a road trip.